how are you doing today? In this episode I want to show you something ideal, a project ideal for lazy weavers. You don't have to sew any squares, you just use ribbons. So what is fantastic about this project is that you've got a very flat, delicate woven piece by using the Tremen LIGHT, which has a distance between pins of just 7 millimeters. Then there is an interesting contrast between these delicate pieces and the ribbons you use in just 3 parts of 2 pieces, the extremes and then the middle. Well, you can change that, maybe use more, but at least you have to use 3. You can use ribbons or you can use a t-shirt yarn, like the one I used. It looks like ribbon, but it is a t-shirt yarn. Of course, thicker than the yarn I used in the woven pieces, which is between 4 and 5, like a worsted yarn. Just match colors, okay? Just a color in the ribbons or t-shirt yarn that is the same of any of the colors of the woven piece, and that's it. Another feature about this project is that I just used variegated yarn. I didn't have to change any colors, so I don't have any knots in every place, so I don't have to lose ends, and that this brings a colorful effect that is amazing and that I couldn't calculate in advance because it's just the way it is. So I think it's fantastic. This is a quite unlike or unique scarf you can make. This is just an example. Of course, you can use this technique for maybe a sweater, maybe a big shawl, a poncho, whatever you would like to make. I hope you like this project, and I would like to see your resulting sweater, poncho, shawl, whatever you like to do. Bye bye!